Wow, a wonderful good morning to all of you. Good morning, our distinguished guests, our cherished viewers and listeners, teachers, and our brilliant contestants. This morning, it is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to today's Junior Science and Maths Quiz Contest. Every question you answer brings you a step closer to becoming better thinkers and future leaders. Let's make today a day of excitement, learning, and healthy competition. I wish all the teams the very best. This morning, this quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology and supported by the Colleges of Science and Engineering. We also want to appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in all the diverse ways they have been doing all these years. We are truly grateful. Watch the Junior Science and Maths Quiz by kind courtesy of Kesben Media. We are grateful. To our head of schools, you have done well. Allowing even your school to come and compete, show that you want to show the world what you have been doing with your schools. We truly appreciate that. To the teachers, we want to say thank you for your dedication in guiding and inspiring these young talents. I know that some of you have to go the extra mile of spending extra time in school, yet you do it for our younger ones. We are grateful. And to the students who are representing their schools, thank you once again for availing yourself. It is with this confidence that we want to show our appreciation because you have done what a lot of kids cannot do. You have come this far because you've told yourself you could do it. And thank you for representing your school. And to our viewers, our contestants, to please introduce yourselves. So when and give us a powerful introduction by mentioning your name. So the STEP Academy is represented by
Anna Essay
and
Jsmq.
A round of applause to the STEP Academy. Thank you so much. So now let us go to God Reigns Academy of Excellence. Oh, this school's name is powerful. God Reigns Academy of Excellence. Please represented by and a round of applause to our God Reigns Academy. And our last school is Elysian International School.
I go by the name Gloria Edia, a proud student of Elysian International School.
I love that, Gloria. I love that. I love that. And?
My name is Jsmq Faustina.
Jsmq Faustina. Please a round of applause for Elysian International School. And thank you for coming on board today. I can see the battle of females. But let's see how the contest goes. Thank you so much for representing. So this morning we are going to operate by buzzers. And it is important that we get to hear the sound of every school's buzzer so that if somebody presses their buzzer, we know exactly who pressed. So please this morning, can I have the hearing of the buzzer from the STEP Academy? Thank you. God Reigns Academy of Excellence. And lastly, Elysian International School. Thank you. So kindly listen to these instructions. You are going to have 4 rounds in this contest. We are going to have round 1, which is just fundamentals. We are going to talk all around science, maths. We are going to go through ICT, different questions, and it's going to come in different forms. Some will be calculations, some will be straightforward, some will be true or false. So that is a mixture of questions in the fundamentals. Then round 2 will be the fastest finger, fastest brain, where when I mention the question, the one to press the buzzer first will take the lead to answer the question. Then we have round 3, which is the science and technology challenge, where you will be given a task to do and the task will be assessed. Then we have round 4, which is the decoding the clues. And in this round, I'll be reading a set of questions and you have to answer. So the STEP Academy.
I have here okra. From okra to grasshopper. And from grasshopper to rat. And from to cock and then man.
You said okra, grasshopper, rat, hawk, and man. Is that what you said?
Yes, please.
Okay, there is a missing link somewhere. So let's move on to the next. God raised Academy of Excellence.
Okra leaf, grasshopper, rat, crow, hawk, and cassava.
Another attempt wrong.
Grasshopper, rat, hawk.
No. So let's move on to Elysian International School.
Okra leaves, grasshopper, rat, hawk. Cassava.
Okay. Wrong. So we have a lot of combinations, so kindly listen. You can have cassava, grasshopper, toad, rat, hawk. Cassava, grasshopper, toad, rat, man. Cassava, grasshopper, toad, man, hawk. Cassava, grasshopper, rat, toad, hawk. Plenty. Then you can come to okra. Most of you started with okra. Okra, grasshopper, toad, rat, hawk. Okra, grasshopper, toad, rat, man. Okra, grasshopper, toad, man, hawk. Okra, grasshopper, rat, toad, hawk. So you had, some of you had the series 1 to 3 right, but the last one where the hawk and the man was where the challenges. Unfortunately, nobody. Okay, Elysian International School, tax bar.
The tax bar helped to shut down the computer, and also it helps us to set.
Okay, it's a bonus to all the other schools. The STEP Academy.
Pinned applications, date and time, system tree.
No. Any other? Okay. So let's move on to the STEP Academy. The status bar. Please hold on. Why have you rang your bell? God reigns.
The status bar shows the date and the time and the volume.
Wrong. Bonus. Elysian International School.
The status bar is where we type in address.
Wrong. So my dear contestants, I always tell you to listen to the question well. I said that state 3 features of the following in Windows operating system. Features. So it means that when you click on the, let's say, the menu bar, what do you normally see? So file menu, you will see edit, you see view, you will see insert, right? If you go to task bar, you will see quick access, search, you will see maybe Cortana, you will see Windows management. If you go to the status bar, you will see word count, you will see spelling and grammar check, you will see caps lock and num lock. That is what I'm asking for. I said features. Okay, thank you. So, question 3. Elysian International School. A teacher So the STEP Academy, your main question. Calcium is used in making cement. Which group is calcium in? And how does its group relate to its chemical properties?
Calcium is in group 1, and the chemical properties is that every calcium contains ion of 2, positive 2. So they are all cations.
I'll give you 1.5 out of the 3. You have said one aspect of the answer, so I'll give you 1.5 out of the 3. God reigns Academy of Excellence. A farmer wants to use nitrogen fertilizer. Using the periodic table, explain why nitrogen is important for plants. Yes, Erin.
Because nitrogen is important for plants because this nitrogen is turned into nitrate through nitrification, which the plants absorb for growth through their roots. Yes.
Can you please repeat your answer?
I said nitrogen is essential for plants because this nitrogen is turned into nitrate through nitrification, where the plant absorbs it through their root hairs.
Correct for 3 points. So this question is calculation. You have 40 seconds to answer. The STEP Academy. A triangle has vertices at points A into brackets 1 and 2, comma. 1, 2 into brackets. B, 3, 2, brackets closed and open. And C, brackets begin 2, 4, brackets closed. So A is 1, 2, B is 3, 2, C is 2, 4. It is translated 3 units to the right and 2 units up. Find the new coordinates of the triangle after the translation.
The translation vector.
Your time is up. You were belled, right? So a bonus to any of the schools.
A is 5, 2. B is 7, 2. And C is 6, 4.
Wrong. So let's take your main question. God reigns Academy of Excellence. A triangle has vertices at P, 2, 1. Q, 4, 1. And R, 3, 3. It is translated 4 units left and 2 units up. Find the new coordinates of the triangle. So the answer is P is -2, 3. Q is 0, 3. R is -1, 5. Remember, we are translating to the left, not to the right, so it can't be positive for the first figure. Elysian International School, your major question. A triangle has vertices A, 1, 3, B, 3, 3, C, 2, 5. It is translated 2 units to the right and 3 units up. Find the coordinates. Time up. A bonus. The Step Academy.
A is 3, 6. B is 5, 6. And C is 4, 8.
Correct for 1 point. So there is also a preamble to all the schools. You have 15 seconds to answer. Define the following astronomical terms. Define the following astronomical terms. God reigns, excellence of academy. Asteroid.
Asteroids are hard, rocky materials that are found in space, usually at the asteroid belt.
Correct for 3 points. Elysian International School, orbit. Yes, Gloria.
Orbit is when the Earth moves around the sun.
No, please come again. The Step Academy for a bonus.
Orbit is the path where the planets move on and rotate and revolute around the sun.
No, I won't give it. Since it's a bonus mark. So an orbit is just a plain term. It is just the path a body follows as it revolves another body. So it doesn't have to be the sun, or it is just the path one object will follow revolving around the other. Do you understand? Thank you. The Step Academy, your main question. Dwarf planet.
Dwarf planets are planets that are not big enough to have the characteristics of a planet and does not contain all the qualities of a planet.
No.
A dwarf planet is a planet that do not have all the properties of a planet.
No, it's wrong. So God Reigns Academy, since you bailed in, please normally wait for the time up to go before you ring your bell. Okay? Please. God Reigns Academy, yes. We can't hear you.
Dwarf planets are planets that do not revolve around the sun and do not qualify.
Okay, wrong. So the question is, what is a dwarf planet? It's a celestial body that orbits around the sun, but has not cleared this orbit of other debris. That is what we call a dwarf planet. So we will now move on to the set of questions, and these are the preambles. The following questions are just statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. So in this round, there will be nothing like bonus because the question is either true or false. So we will start with Elysian International School. All alloys are made from 2 or more metals only.
False.
False it is for 3 points. The STEP Academy. Bronze is made by mixing iron and carbon.
False.
False it is for 3 points. God Reigns Academy of Excellence. Solder is an alloy of lead and tin. True or false?
True.
True it is for 3 points. The STEP Academy. To find the perimeter of a rectangle, you can use the formula 2 times into brackets length plus width.
True.
True it is for 3 points. God Reigns Academy of Excellence. A shape with a larger perimeter always has a larger area. True or false?
True.
False it is, so wrong. Elysian International School. Your main question. Perimeter measures the distance around a shape. True or false?
True.
Correct for 3 points. With this, we come to the end of round 1, the fundamentals. We will kindly wait for the scores from our scores masters. So as we wait for our scores masters, we still want to acknowledge Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology for organizing this quiz, being pioneered by the Colleges of Science and Engineering. We also want to appreciate all our sponsors, Gradeco, MTN, and New Nestle Ghana Limited for coming on board. To our media partner, Kesben Media, Kesben TV, for amplifying our reach. We also want to say a big thank you to the KNUST e-Learning Center, and also show appreciation to come on board. Please, a round of applause for Opoku Boateng. There is no substitution. It was round 3. Okay. Well noted. Hello. All right. All right. So let's move on to round 2 of our contests. Academy.
Thermometer.
Wrong. The other 2 schools, you have a chance to compete. Okay, so when it's about expansion and contraction, it's a thermostat. Question 2. The ability of an organism to resist infection by producing antibodies is known as the STEP Academy.
Phagocytes.
Wrong. Immunity is the right answer. Question 3. State the chemical equation. Go God Reigns Academy.
Effort.
Wrong. Bonus. I mean, the question is so open. So it is resistance or load. Okay, the next question. A 60-watt fan and a 100-watt bulb are used for 5 hours each day. Calculate the total energy consumed in 1 week. Okay, in fact, I'm surprised that you did not answer this question. In a class of 50 pupils, 32 like mangoes. How many do not like mangoes? 50 minus 32.
You said?
I said 52. Oh, okay. I learned I said 52. Then it means that please, which school was the first to answer? Then the STEP Academy gets 4 points. Sorry. Thank you. Okay, so thank you so much for still staying with us. We now have our scores after round 2. So at the end of round 2, these are the scores. Round 2, the STEP Academy had 2 points. God Reigns Academy of Excellence had 6 points. And Elysian International School had 0 points. So at the end of round 2, these are the total scores. The STEP Academy 10.5, God Reigns Academy of Excellence 16, and Elysian International School 6. So a round of applause to our contestants up to this point. With this, we are moving into round 3, which is the technology round. So the STEP Academy is requesting that Opoku Boateng step off the podium and is being replaced by Snyder. So a round of applause for Snyder as Opoku Boateng takes his seat. Opoku Boateng, thank you so much for representing. And a big welcome to you, Snyder. Okay. Opoku Boateng, did I mention your name right? I think I'm seeing, is it Schneider? Right? Is that the right pronunciation?
Yes, please.
Okay, because the spelling they gave me here, the CH did not come. All right, thank you. So, we are at the tech round, okay? So, in this particular technology round, you will all be given 1 question, okay? The question in this round will require that you perform a task, and the task will be assessed. The score for this round is 15 points. Contestants, you will be given up to 10 minutes to complete your task. We should all remember once again that the technology round is being powered by DEX Science Sets. And with DEX, we say that science is very, very practical now. So this morning, our tech challenge is like this. Of the various tasks that you were supposed to do. Remember, if you do it manually, it is not the technology that you are using. You're supposed to use everything you do must be on the laptop. So they will score every school, give me feedback. I will also tell you exactly everything that every school did to deserve the marks that they got. So we'll wait patiently for our assessors to do the assessment. Okay, so as we wait, we want to say thank you once again to our sponsors this morning, KNUST, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, for being the main organizers, supported by the Colleges of Science and College of Engineering. Wow. Thank you for staying with us, our cherished viewers and listeners, and our schools that are competing that are seated. Thank you. Our technology challenge was a great, insightful one. This morning, I present to you the results in no particular order. So, they did 2 out of 3. You remember they were supposed to find the sum, they were supposed to find the total cost of energy, and they were also supposed to find the minimum and maximum. So they were able to do 2 out of 3. They did not calculate the total cost of energy that they were supposed to use. So now, let's move to God Reigns Academy. They were able to perform all the tasks. They calculated the sum, calculated the energy, total energy consumption for the week, and they also did the minimum and maximum. So that's called them 3 over 3. They answered question 1, question 2, question 3, all in the right proportion. So they had 10 over 10 for the tech challenge. Then for Elysian International School, they only calculated the total consumption. They did not solve the total energy cost. They did not do the minimum and maximum. So out of the 3 things, they did only 1. So that was 1 over 3. But they scored 2 for question 1. That is a total. Question 2, they also scored 2 over 2. But the question 3, the answers they provided were wrong. So they scored 5 over 10. Please, a round of applause to all our contestants. So now, at the end of round 3, these are the scores. The STEP Academy, 7 points. God Reigns Academy of Excellence, 10 points. Elysian International School, 5 points. And at the end of round 3, these are the total scores. The STEP Academy, 17.5. God Reigns Academy of Excellence, 26. Elysian International School, 11. Oh, a round of applause, please. So with these scores, we move to the last round of our contest. Remember, this particular round can change everything because if you answer the question rightly on the first clue, you get 6 points, okay? So, this is the preamble to all the schools. This round is what we call decoding the clues round. Your questions will be read out in a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, you get 6 points. If the question is correctly answered on the second clue, you get 5 points. On the third clue, you get 4 points. On the fourth and any other, you get 3 points. If you want to answer the question, you are supposed to press your buzzer. If you don't press your buzzer and you answer, and before we take our scores, we will still want to do the acknowledgements. And as soon as the scores come, then we will do our final remarks. So the quiz is organized by Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, supported by the Colleges of Science and the Colleges of Engineering. We also want to appreciate all our sponsors for coming on board. Thank you so much to e-learning, the Center for E-Learning. They have done a yeoman's job. Oscar and your team, we want to appreciate you so much. Going around the nation, you have done it all. We are in Ashanti region now. And thank you for the live streaming and the virtual presence that still make people part of this contest. We want to say thank you to